Good morning, how are you, my best learners? How are you doing, boys and girls? Okay, well, welcome to keep watching and keep, let's say, taking your notes and to take some notes on your notebooks and do what is given as a homework or some exercises to practice, okay, to improve your learning mathematics and also to enjoy watching the lecture, okay? Thank you for that. So we start, okay? Today is Monday. Okay, today is Monday, my kids. Okay. So, 20 April 2020, class 8, teacher Murad Sultan HSM. Exercise. About what? The title also. Dealing with what? Dealing with conditional probabilities. Okay, just I will give you 2 seconds, okay, to read the question. A pack of 10 cards contains 6 red cards and 4 not red cards. Murad selects 1 card at random without replacement. Means what? The card is not replaced, okay? Then a second card is chosen. Okay. Draw what? A tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes. Okay, let's do it. Draw what? So we have okay, a pack of 10 cards. A pack of what? Of 10 cards. Of 10 cards. Okay, my kids. But this pack of 10 cards consists of what? Contains 6 red cards. Okay? And 4 not red cards. Okay? So, 4 are not red cards, but 6 are red cards. Okay, let's first find who can, let's say, find out the probability of getting a red card. Who is? Yes? Good one. It will be, so the probability of getting a red what? A red card is what? Is 6 divided by the total, by 10. Okay, you can write it as also 3 divided by 5. Okay? This is the probability of what? Of red. Okay. And the probability of not red. Probability of not red is what? Is, my kids, equal to 2 over 5. 2 over 5 or 4 over 10. Okay, 4 over 10. So these two fractions are called a true proportion, or they are called equivalent fraction. Okay? Now we will do the first one. This is the branches. This is red. This is not red. Not red. Okay, this is red. This is red. This is not red. So the probability of getting a red card is what? Is 6 over 10. Okay. Then not red is 4 over what? Over 10. This is what? This is the first piece. Okay? Then the second one. I will choose what? I will choose what, my kids? I will choose red or not red. Okay? Here also red or not red. But be careful to their probabilities. Okay? Look, in the first one, we told I will pick 1 card, 1 red card, but without replacement. I will never replace this card back to a pack of 10 cards. Okay? So, red, it will be what? It will be 5 divided by 9. Good boy. Then, not red is 4 divided by, sorry, tablet. Okay. So, we took 4 divided by what? By the number of cards. But we do what? We reduce. We took 1 card but without replacement, my kids. Okay, without replacement. Means what? 4 divided by 9. Okay? Then, if now, this is the first peak, the first peaks, this is the second peaks. Okay? Means that I pick a red, the probability of getting a red is 6 over 10. Then in the second peaks, I will get a red. The number of reds now is 5 because without replacement, if I, let's say, took 1 card from the pack of 10 cards, then I will never return back this card. I will put it somewhere, okay? So, then, now the probability of getting card not red is 4 over 10. The probability of getting now a red is what? Is 6 divided by 9. And not red will be 3 divided by 9. Okay. This is now, my kids, is what? Is the tree diagram. I will just erase this to find space. Good boy. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we get what? Outcomes. Sorry. Outcomes are what? Red, isn't it? Red. Okay, I will just write RR, okay? RR, my kids. Red. Or red, not red. Red, not red. Not R. Then, not R, red. Then, not red. Not red. Okay? I'll just see this one. This is not. This is not. Okay. Now, my kids, I will try to find the probabilities of red. Probabilities now. Probabilities is what? P of RR. Then probability of R not R. I will just write N means not R. Okay? I will write N means not R. Okay, my kids, not red. Please. Okay? I will just write N means not R. Okay? Okay, no problem. I will write not R. No problem, don't worry. Then this is probability of what? Of not R red. Then probability of not red, not R. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Not R. Okay. So Let's do the first one. To work out the probability of getting two reds is 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9. It will be 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9. Gives what? This one. How many 6 here? How many 3s in 6? Only 2. How many 3 in 9? 3. How many 5s in 5? Only 1. How many 5s in 10s? Only 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 over 3. So it will be 1 over 3. Okay? Or you can write it as also as 30 divided by 90. 30 divided by 90 is 1 over 3. Okay? As well. The second one. The probability of getting a red card and not the red card. It will be 6 over 10 multiplied by 4 over 9. Okay? 4 over 9. It will be, okay, I will write it 6 over 10 multiplied by 4 over 9. Gives what, my kids? Equal, okay, 24 divided by 90. Okay? You can cancel more. Okay, it will be 6. How many? 3. Okay. This is 24. I will divide by. Okay. I will divide this by 3. Gives what? Gives 8 divided by 30. Then I will divide also by 2. Gives 4 over 15. 24, okay, divided by 3 gives 8, 9 divided by 3, 30, 8 divided by 2 gives 4, 30 divided by 2 gives 15. Okay, then, now the probability of not red, but red, okay? The second event is red, the first one is not red. So, not red is what? Is 4 over 10 multiplied by, red now is 6 over, okay, 6 over 9, so it will be 4 over 10 multiplied by 6 over 9. Gives also 24 divided by 90. Also gives what? Gives 4 divided by 15. Okay? Then, now, not red means 4 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 9. Okay, gives 4 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 9. Okay, so it will be 12 divided by what? By 90. Okay. Okay. Now, can we cancel this one also? 12. I will divide by what? I will divide by 3. Okay. How many 3s in 12? How many 3s in 12? 4. How many 3s in 90 is 30. So it will be 4 over 30. Then, how many groups of 2 in 4 will be 2? How many groups of 2 in 30 is it will be 15, so it will be 2 over 15. Okay. Then so now I will try to check my answer. I will add this plus this plus this. Okay? Plus this one. Plus this one. Is it equal to 1? Yes or no? I will check. This is what? 1 over 3. I will make 1 over 3 plus what? Plus 4 over 15. Plus 4 over 15. Plus also 4 over 15. 4 over 15. Plus 1 is 2 over 15. Okay. You can see that 3 fractions have the common denominator, but the first one is not. So we multiply this by what? By 5, and this is by 5 to get a common denominator. it will be, my kids, 5 divided by 50 plus 4 divided by 50 plus 4 divided by 50 plus 2 divided by 50. And we add all of this. So 5 plus 4, I will write it, 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 gives what? 5, this is 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1. Okay, so the total of all the probabilities adds up to 1. Okay, so now we draw this. Okay, we draw now. This is small a. This is A. Okay, then small b. Find the probability of getting 2 red cards. 2 red cards is what? Is 6 divided by 10 multiplied by 5 divided by 9 is what? Is 30 divided by 90, or you can also write it as cancel here. How many groups of 30 in 30? Only one group. How many groups of 30 in 90? Only 3 groups. So it will be what? 1 over 3. If you would like to write it as 30 divided by 90 or 1 over 3. Okay? This one, what is it? Okay. To get 2 reds, my kids. What is 2 reds? 2 reds. What is 2 reds? 2 reds is what? To get 2 cards are red. It will be 30 divided by 90, which is equal to 1 over 3. Okay? If you would like, because this one are equivalent fraction, or also standard are called true proportion. Okay, if you multiply 30 by 3 gives 90, it will be equal to 90 multiplied by 1, 90 equal 90, so it's called true proportion. Be careful. Okay? So, the next. Now, find the probability of getting 1 red card. 1 red card. Okay? Of getting. Okay, before doing small b, this is for A, draw the 3 diagram to show possible outcomes. This is 6 over 5 to get a red. Then in the second fix, I will get, this is 6, it will be 5. Okay. And this is 10, it will be 5 over 9. Good. And now, this is the first one. First fix. If I pick, let's say, a red card, now I will pick not red. N means not red. Okay? Not red. Okay. Means what? How many are cards which are not red? 4. But we selected 1 red card, so the total should be reduced by 1. It will be 9. So 4 over 9. 4 over 9. Okay. Then to get now not red. Not red means this is not red. Means not red. Okay. 4 over 10. Okay. Then I will get a red. It will be 6 over 9. Okay. Then I will get not red. Not red is what, my kids? Is 3 over 9. So this is the outcomes. Okay. And their probability just multiply cross the branches. Okay, the branches of this 3 diagram. 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9. It will be 30 divided by 90. 30 divided by 90 also equal 1 over 3. Then, now, the probability of getting red and not red. Red, what is red? This is red, 6 over 10. Multiply not red is 4 over 9. 6 over 10 multiplied by 4 over 9. It will be 24 divided by 90. So is equal to what? If you divide this by 3, okay, it will be 8 divided by, it will be 4 divided by 50. And this is also, it will be 4 divided by 50. Okay, now the probability of getting not red is 4 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 9. It will be 12 divided by 90. You can simplify more. Okay. It will be, my kids, 12 divided by 90. So, how many 3's? It will be 4. How many 3's? 30. So, now, how many 2's? It will be 2. How many 2's in 30? It will be 15. So, it will be 2 over 50. Okay. This one is 2 over 50. Good boy. Okay. Okay. The next. Okay, we found the probability of getting two reds is 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9 is 1 over 3. It will be what? In fact, 6 by 5 is 30 divided 6 by 5 is 30, 10 by 9 is 90. So, these are two equivalent fractions. Okay, you can simplify by 30, the numerator by 30, 30 by 30 is 1, 90 by 30 is 3. Okay, then find the probability of getting what? At least one red card. At least one red card. At least one red card. Means what? What is the red card? I will put into consideration this one. Okay. Then this one also. Then this one. This one not red. I will never choose it. Okay. I will calculate the sum of these probabilities of the events red, not red. Okay. Means what? Means, my kids, 4 plus 4, this one, 4 over 50 plus 4 over 50, okay, it will be what? It will be 8 over 15 plus 1 over 3, I can write it as 5 over 15. You multiply this by 5 and this is by 5. So, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 over 5. Okay, so this one, it will be 1, we told that 4 over 50 plus 4 over 50 plus 5 over 50 equal what? Equal, my kids, 8 plus 5 will be 13 divided by 50. This is the correct answer. And, or the second method, the second method is what? The second method is what? The second method, make 1 minus, what is it? Yes, 1 minus 12 divided by 90. Make, if you would like to find it, also 1 minus 12 divided by 90. Okay? 12 divided by 90. So, we continue. We thought 1 minus 12 divided by 90. Okay. So this is 90 multiplied by 1 is 90. 90 minus 12 is 78. 78 divided by 90. I will divide this by what? By 6. Look. Okay. How many 6 goes into 78? Is 13. Why? Because 13 multiplied by 6. 6 by 8 by 3 is 18. I will carry here 1. I will write here 8. 6 by 1 is 6 plus 1 is 78. This is 78. Then 90. How many groups of 6 are in 90? It will be 15. Okay, this is 15. Why? Because 15 multiplied by 6 is 90. 6 by 5 is 30. 6 by 1 is 6 plus 3 is 90. Okay, so this one it will be what? 13 divided by 50 is the same as that. Or the second method, the third method if you would like, make 1 minus 2 over 5. 2 over 15, so it will be also 15 minus 2 all divided by 15 gives 13 divided by 15. One student can tell from where you got 2 over 15. Okay, all right. From where? 2 over 15. Look, 2 over 15 is this. 12 divided by 90 is equivalent to 2 over 15. Okay, instead of writing 12 over 90, this one, you can also cancel this, cancel the common factors of the numerator and the denominator. You will come to this one. Okay? Thank you. Okay. The next. Okay, 3 draws probability without replacement. When 3 draws are carried out, there are 3 branches. Okay? To the tree diagram. Calculate the probability of drawing 3 red cards from a pack of 10 consists of 6 reds and what? And 4 not red. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. The next. Here we have a pack of 10 cards. Okay. So we told this is not red. This is red. Okay. Not red, how many is equal to what? Not red is equal to, we told, just a moment, I will read the question. Okay, 6 red, 4 not red. Okay, 6 red, 4 not red. So this is 6 reds, 6, and this is only 4. Okay, so I will do it. The first pick. Picks. Second picks. Then third picks. I'll choose as you like. I will start from that. This is red. This is not red. Then, the second pick, I will choose what? Red, then not red. Then also here, I will choose I will make like that. This is red and not red. And for the third pick, we have not red and red. So this one also not red. This is red. Okay, this is not red. Okay, this is my kids is red. This is not red. This is my kid, the last one, not red and red. Okay. The probability of getting a red card from the first picks, it will be 6 over 10. Good boy. The probability of getting not red, it will be 4 over 10. Good boy. The next. The probability of getting the second pick is red, it will be 5 over 9. Then the probability of getting not red is 4 over 9. Okay? Then the probability of getting here red, it will be 6 over 9. Okay? Because without replacement. Okay? And not red, it will be 3 over 9. Then the second one. Red, now also is red, it's 4 over 8. Okay? Then, now I will use red. Okay, I will use red. It will be 4 over 8. And now not red. Not red. Okay, it will be what? So red. Not red will be 4 over 8. Because we have 4. Okay? Then, now, red, okay, 4 over 9. Then not red, 4 over 9. Now red, it will be what? It will be, okay, this one 6. Then not red, it will be 5 over 5. We took 1, 2, 5 over 8. Okay, red, not red, so it will be 4, sorry, this is 4. Okay, here we have a red 6 over 10, then not red, okay, it will be there, not red, no, is red, so it will be 5 over 8. Then here red, then not red, now not red, it will be 3 over 8. Then 6 over 9, it's red, now red, it will be 5 over 8. 5 over 8. Then now not red, 4 over 10, red 6 over 9, then not red, it will be what? Not red, it will be 3 over 9. 3 over 8, yes, 3 over 8. Then, now 4 over 10, not red, 3 over 9, not red also 2 over 8. And here, red, it will be, I didn't get reds here, okay, it will be 6 over 8. Okay. So we told that the first one 6 over 10, then 5 over 9, then 4 over 8. Then the next is 4 over 8, 5 over 8. Okay. Then 4 over 9, 6. Okay, so this is means what my kids means R. This is not R, not red. Okay. Then this is 4 over 8. This is red. Then red, not red. Okay. It will be 4 over 8. Then, okay. We continue. So now we'll try to find the probability of, or the outcomes. We have what? We have red. Or red, not red. Red, not red. Okay. Or, okay. Then red, not red. Red, not red. Okay. Then, okay, red, not red. Red, not red. Okay, okay. This is not red. Okay. Then, red, not red. Now, not red. Not red. Okay. Then we told not red. Then not red. Okay. Not red. Not red. So not red. Not red. Then we have now not red. Not red. not red, red, not red. Then we have not red, not red, not red. Not red, not red, not red. Okay. Now how many applications? We call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we continue. So let's do it now. This is also a tree diagram of the same exercise. This is 4 over 10. This is not red. This is 4 over 10. This is, I will now, in the second peaks, I will get a red. It will be 6 over 9. Then, to get a red, it will be 5 over 8. To get, let's say, not red, it will be 3 over 8. Okay. Because I used also here not red, that's why I reduced 4 to 3. And 10 to 8. Why? Because I chose one card, then one card, 2 cards. Okay, will be taken away from the total. Okay. Then, now the question is what, my kids? The question, yes. The question is what? And then, okay. Yes, that's the only one question is draw what? A probability tree. Okay, or space diagram. Okay, we continue. Here we have Murad. Okay, there are 10 students in a class, 3 are boys and 7 are girls. Murad chooses 2 different students at random to answer to this question. 2 different means without replacement. Without replacement. Replacement. Okay, be careful, my kids. Okay, draw a tree diagram. Draw a tree diagram. We'll draw it. Okay, just this one probability of 3 reds. It will be what, my kids? It will be multiply cross the branches. It will be 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9 multiplied by 4 over 8. Okay, it will be 30, 120 divided by 720. Okay, so it will be 1 over 6. Let's check. Okay, 12. It will be 1 over 6. Let's check. Okay. We thought 6 divided by 10, multiplied by 5 divided by 9, multiplied by 4 divided by 8. So this one is 1/2. I will just write here 1/2. Then 5. Sorry. Okay, 6 by 5 is 30. Divided by what? Divided by 90. 30 divided by 90. Multiply. This is also 30 divided by 90 is 1 over 3. Multiply by 1 over 2 gives 1 over 6. Okay? So this is the probability of what, my kids? The probability of getting 3 reds. 1 over 6. Okay. Now we continue. The next paper. We told what? Murad, okay, choose 1 student at random without replacement. Okay? So how many students? We have 10 students. 10 students, 10 learners. Or students. Okay? So 3 are boys. 3 are, that's a no. 3 are what? 3 are boys. Okay. 3 are boys. 3 are boys. And 7 are what? Are girls. Okay. Now we'll try to what? to draw our probability tree. This one is a boy, this one is a girl. This one is a boy at all, and this one is a boy, is a girl. Okay. This is the first student, our first learner student. This is the second student. Okay. Look here, my learners, my kids. This is a boy. Then I can, let's say, I can. And the second student can be a boy or can be a girl. Also, in the second one, can be a girl or can be a boy. But let's do their probability. The probability of getting a boy is what? Is 3 divided by 10. And here, the probability of getting a boy in the second student, which is dependent on the first one. If one is 2, so we should reduce 1 from the number of boys. Then reduce 1 also from what? From the total. It will be what? It will be 2 divided by 9. Okay? Then 4, okay, this is for a boy. For a girl, the probability for a girl is what? Is 7 divided by? 7 divided by what? Because we reduced one number, divided by 9. Good. Then, also here a girl, it will be 7 divided by 10. Okay? Then, for a girl now, if in the first student is a girl, the second one is a boy, it will be what? It will be 3 divided by 9, because we reduced one girl from the total of number of learners or of students. And this one, this is for boys, okay. And this one for girls is what? What is the probability of getting a girl in the second as a second student? If this is 7, this one should be 6. If this is 10, it should be 9, and so on. So, what are now the possible outcomes? We have B. Okay, we have B. This is also okay. We have BB. Okay. Then we have BG. Be a girl. Then we have a girl, a boy, and a girl again. Okay. Look here. This is we call the boy. This is a girl. This is a girl, and this is a girl. Now we try to find this is outcomes, my kids. This one is what? Is the outcomes. Outcomes. Okay? Now we try to work their probabilities. Probabilities. Okay. The probability of getting 2 boys is what? Probability of getting 2 boys, my kids, is just multiply cross the branches. It will be what? 3 over 10 multiplied by 2 over 9. Okay. It will be what? You can cancel, let's say, the common. It will be, this is how many 2's in 2? 1. How many 2's in 10 is 5? How many 3's in 3 is 1? How many 3's in 9 is 3? Okay? So it will be what? 1 over 5, it will be 1 divided by 15. Okay? 1 divided by 15. Then, the probability now of what? Of a boy and a girl is equal to, a boy is what? Is 3 over 10 multiplied by a girl is 7 over 9. Also, we can cancel, let's say, 3. How many 3's in 3? Only 1. How many, sorry, yes, how many, okay. How many 3's in 9? Only 3. So it will be 1 multiplied by 7. Okay, 1 multiplied by 7, it will be 7. Divided 3 by 10 is 30. Okay, now the probability of what? The probability of getting a girl and a boy. a girl in the first student, as the first student, and the second student should be a boy. It will be what? It will be 3 divided by 9 multiplied by a girl is what? A girl is 7 divided by 10. Okay, so this one I will simplify. 3, how many 3s in 3? Only 1. How many 3s in 9? Only 3. So it will be 7 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 by 10. It will be 7 divided by 30. Okay. Then the last one, probability of getting the first student is a girl, the second student depends on the first one, also it is a girl. Okay? Means that the probability of a girl given a girl. So G equal what? Equal 7 divided by 10 multiplied by 6 divided by 9. This one, it will be, you can simplify my kids. This is how many 3s? It will be 2. This is how many 3s? It will be 3. So equal to what? Equal 7 divided by 10 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. Or how many 2's in 2? Only 1. How many 2's in 10 is 5. So the answer will be 7 multiplied by 1, 5 multiplied by 3 gives us 7 divided by, so it will be 7 divided by 5 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 gives 7 divided by what? By 15. Also this one is equal to what, my kids? Is equal to 14 divided by 30. If you would like to, this is equivalent fraction. Multiply this by 2, this is by 2. Okay? And this one, 1 over 15 is what? You can write it also as 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. Okay? So how many we have? We have this one, and the last one, this one. Okay. Now, my kids, I will try to add these probabilities to check if it is 1 or not. Okay. What is the first one? 2 over, to check, let's say your T diagram is true or false, plus 2 over 30, which is equal to 1 over 15, plus 7 over 13, plus 7 over 30, plus 7, also this is, we did it, this is, we did it, 7 plus 7 over 30, plus the last one is 14 over 30. Okay. You can notice all fractions have the same denominator, right? The denominator here. Then this is 30, not 36. Okay. Then 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 14. 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 14 equal, this is 30. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 40, 30. 30 divided by 30 is 1. So your probability 3 is correct. Now you can answer to your questions. Okay. Both students are boys means what? Both students are boys. Boys, what is it? Boys means 2 over 30 or 1 over 15. Okay? 2 over 30. So it will be 2 over 30 or 1 over 15, as you like. Both of them are correct. This is written in its simplest form, and this is not. This is equivalent fraction. And this one are called true proportion. Why? Because 15 multiplied by 2 equal 30 multiplied by 1. Okay, now both students are girls. Both students are girls. Both students are girls. Both students are girls. I will consider this one. It will be what? It will be 7 divided by 10 multiplied by 6 over 9 gives 14 over 30. Or 7, okay, gives what? 14 over This one gives 14 over what? Over 30 or what? Or 7 divided by 50. Okay? Both this one are the same, are equivalent fractions. Okay? 14 we told over 30. Let's check on the diagram. Yes. Okay. 7 by 1, 7. Okay. 5 by 3, 15. 7 by 2 is 14. 15 by 2 is 30. Correct. Okay. The next. Now, one student is a boy and the other is a girl. Okay? One student is a boy and the other is a girl. Means what? Means boy, girl. Okay? Probability of getting a boy in the first student, the second is a girl, plus the probability of a girl as a first student, the second student should be a boy. So, in the first student is a boy, is 7 divided by 10. Multiply. A girl in the second one is a girl. We have 4 divided by 9. Plus, probability of a girl is, how many girl, how many, just a moment. Okay. We told that we have 3 boys. So, boys it will be 3 divided by 10. Multiply by 7. Multiply by 7 girls, 7 girls divided by 9. Plus, probability of a girl is what? Is 7 divided by 10. Multiply by a boy, it will be 2 divided by 9. Okay, let's continue counting. It will be 21 divided by 90 plus 7 by 3, 29, 21. 10 by 9 is 90. Plus, this is 14 divided by 90. Gives what? Gives, okay, 35. Give 35 divided by 90. Okay. You can simplify more. It will be what? I will divide by 5. Okay. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Then 90 divided by 5 is 90 divided by 5. This is 1, this is 4. Okay. So, okay, minus, it will be minus 5, it will be 4. The 40, it will be 8. So, 18. What is it? 18. Okay. Let's check. We told that I will do what? The question is at least a girl. Just a moment, please. I will see the question first. One student is a boy and the other is a girl. Okay. So this is okay. This is now my kids. I will erase this. Means what? Means what here, kids? Means that, okay, one student is a boy and the other is a girl. Okay. I means that, sorry, I will not erase this, please. Don't erase it. Okay. So, I mean that I will take these two outcomes, then I will try to work their probabilities. It will be 7 over 30 plus 7 over 30, it will be 14 over 30. Okay, it will be 14 over 30. One student is a boy and the other is a girl. So it will be, okay, 7 over 30 plus 7 over 30 gives what? Gives 14 over 30 equal what? equal 7 divided by 50. Okay. Also here what we have done. Okay. We told 90 divided by 5. Okay, 5, 4, 4, okay, 8. 18. So, okay, go back to the question. Okay, so girl, boy, 7 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 9. Good boy. So it will be 21. Okay, 7 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 9. It will be 21 divided by 90. Then we divide by what? 21 divided by 90. We divide by 3. It will be 7 divided by 30. Okay. Alright. Then this one. Okay, 3 over 10 multiplied by 7 over 9. 3 over 10 multiplied by 7 over... Yes, okay. So the answer will be 7 over this question. 7, we told 7 over 30 plus 7 over 30. It will be 14 over 30. Divide this by 2, it will be 7. Divide this by 2, yes, correct answer. Good boy. Okay. Thank you for listening. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye.